Okay guys, so I'm in my kitchen. Precious is going to help me hoover the hallway. They've messed it up downstairs. So I'm in the kitchen now. I want to order pizza for them. Okay, and because our time has gone, did it went forward or backward? I can't. It went backward. Yeah, I think it went backward. I don't think it went forward because my husband confused me. I was asking him on the phone. He said it's going forward.
No, he said he's going backward.
No, he told me that the thing was going forward. So I mean, yeah, that's what he said. So I was a bit confused whether it's backward or forward. I don't even know. But anyway, I need to change the clock in my kitchen and the one in my living room. we have to warm it, getting a little cold, so we have to warm it. I don't know if I should put it in the oven. Okay, so we got pizza and chicken strips and garlic bread. That's what's here. Okay guys, let's show you guys the pizza, the inside quickly. Okay, it's still warm. So this one is chicken supreme, and this one is still warm. This one is meat feast. It's still warm somehow, but we can always warm it. And then we have our chicken strips in here. And then this one is the garlic bread, and then it comes with a drink as well. Okay guys, and the sauce is in Precious hand. It came with this chili sauce. Okay, alright guys, now we have the drink there. I'm sure you guys can see it on the table. So that's our dinner. Alright guys, catch you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell when you do subscribe. Okay guys, shout out to Slice of Sam, shout out to Sheila, shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine, shout out to Family Shops Group, shout out to Victoria, shout out to you all my amazing subscribers. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.